Hey everybody, welcome to Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff. I'm outside today, cooking underneath the shack. The weather's not great, but this is the UK and this is what we're doing. I'm just glad to be having a bit of daylight and no snow. So today I'm going to be cooking on my Bighorn flat top that I got from Tom from Barbecue Life UK. Cheers mate, thumbs up, check out his channel, the link will be up there. So let's get to cooking. Right, so what I decided to do was make a bit of a grilled cheese sandwich. It's the first venture on this thing. Let's rub a bit of butter on. Put that down there. Put the butter to one side. Put some bread in. Give him some bread, give him a bit of butter as well. Let that go for a second. Apparently I've heard it's good to have your grill not really hot. So this is like a low to medium heat. So this is just going to bring the bread up to a nice golden colour hopefully. Next thing I'm going to be doing is adding some nice cheese squares and some strong cheddar. I'm going to flip this bread now. Get it over, look at that, nice and golden from the butter. Maybe bring that across, pick up some butter juice. It's a bit hot. Don't try this at home, kids. Be careful. Right, so that's a nice golden colour. What I'm going to do now is splodge a cheese square on. Just so that can get going a little bit. I've got some grated cheddar here as well. I'm just going to bang that on while it's cooking. Pretty sure it's going to be good. And we finish it off with a bit more yellow cheese. And while that's cooking away on the bottom, we can top it off now. It can go on there. Give him a bit of a splodge down. Leave it a minute or two. Let's keep this cheese moving around a bit. I'm pretty sure it's going to cook in no time. I'm going to give it a few minutes either way. It's really cool this. I've never used a flat top before. While I'm doing this, I'd like to give a shout out to Leprechaun TV and my good friend Johnny Mags. So what I'm going to do is flip this over. Hopefully it's not burnt. It's catching a little bit, but not bad. Any luck? Oh, that cheese is beautiful. If not a little hot. I let it go a little bit on that side, cut her open with a bit of sriracha sauce. And I'll show you when it's done. I'm guessing that's got to be pretty much done. I'm going to pull her off, bang her on a plate, let it cool down a second, and cut into it with a nice bit of sriracha sauce. Oh, nearly lost it. I would have been gutted. There we go. I'll cut into it in a second. Right, so here's a sandwich. Here's my sauce that I like. I'm gonna give that a little bit on there. Not too much. Just enough to give it a little bit of flavour. And cut into it. We're going to have a nice, gooey, cheesy sandwich. Not bad. Not bad for a first attempt. Let's give it a little bit of sriracha. Because, as I said, I like it. And we'll bring you back for the taste test. Right, so here's the sandwich, nice and gooey. I'll give you a bit of a taste test now. No, it's really good. The sriracha with the American cheese and the cheddar. Obviously butter and bread works good. Yeah, I recommend that. Here we go. If you like what I do, please do hit the subscribe button, like, tell everybody. This is Ryan G from Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff. See you again soon.